Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to announce the winner of our autographed Fabio Scorpion helmet healthcare worker giveaway. Okay, before we announce the winner, I want to take a moment and thank everyone that is in the healthcare industry right now working to get our country through this pandemic. I truly believe that segment of our country is going to be the most heavily impacted, right? It was awesome to see all the participation in that post, all the friends and the family members posting the names up and the names collecting all the likes. Unfortunately, at the end of the day, we have one helmet to give away. We had to choose a metric in order to determine where it went. But it's important you guys understand we love, respect, and appreciate every single one of you. In the end, it was a relatively close contest, but the clear winner was Dr. Wendy Arnold. In the post someone made, the initial one for her, they also made mention Navy commander and on the front lines of healthcare right now in the U.S. You are appreciated, and we hope when you open this up, it makes your day.